We definitely support the future regulating of receivers for a number of reasons, really. I think one of the most important things is I think a lot of people that buy FM-only radios not fully understand that it does not provide them access to all of the content. And now in the UK, I think there's over 500 digital stations. So one of the reasons I think is to protect consumer interest and make sure they're buying products that's fully compatible with all of the radio services. But we also envisage one day in the future when broadcasters will want to switch off analog, and clearly if a receiver is digital, it future-proofs the consumer. That device has not become obsolete. We don't have then the issues with waste and recovery. Consumers are not buying devices that in maybe 5 to 8 years could be redundant. And the other thing is, from a commercial perspective, from a market perspective, it really helps stimulate the market. It gives the manufacturers a motivation to develop new products, new feature sets, because they know the sales level will rise, and it will ultimately lead to more consumer choice with new devices. So overall, we very much welcome the first step to mandate digital capability in cars, and we'd like to have a serious discussion with government about the next steps to bring that across to all devices at some point in the not too distant future.